Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing of the Silvercrest desk organizer for charging external devices and data transfer. We've got 3 USB Type A, USB 2 for office stationery such as pens, rulers, highlighters, etc., multifunction and compact. Well, that makes this organizer different from the other because it has a USB in. Well, let's see what we've got inside and how we can work with that. Ooh, nice. And of course we've got the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product. Quite long cable. Nice white color, and here we got some adapters. That is for your mobile phone. It depends what kind of mobile phone you've got, and this adapter, it will help to stay in the place that it needs. Let's see from the other side. Here we've got some cable management. We've got USB 5V 2 amp. Well, it will be nice to have a charger included inside. There are the 3 USB. Now I'm going to connect my phone with his cable. We've got a Type C. I will use this rubber, it is bigger. You need to install that inside here. And then you can slide it here. And then we've got some cable management. It's very convenient. Now let's try to put it in his place. Okay, it fits. Now I'm going to connect the cable from this desk organizer to my PC, and then I will connect the cable from the phone to one of the Type A connection of this desk organizer. Now I think it will be more helpful if we do not have the case of the phone. And voila, it's starting to charge, and I can see to my desktop we have a connection, and of course we can see the data into my desktop. Let me show you, it's charging for this device via USB. Now after we have managed to charge the phone, let's put some of the accessories that we can use here. Of course you can use an iPhone to charge here, just install the other rubber and with the cable. And of course you can use the phone adapter to connect it instantly and plug it for charging, and again it's charging. Or you can connect the cable that it comes out from the desk organizer, and again you need to connect, of course, to the Type A, the cable that it comes out from the phone, and again it's charging. Nice. Now we can put some notes paper here, some office pins, some paper clips, some of your pens, markers, whatever. It can do your office more organized. Charging your phone, organize everything to your office, and only costs 10 euros. And from the back we've got some storage. You can put some books and whatever is suitable for you. Well guys, that was all about this desk organizer, but it costs only 10 euros. If you need something like that to your office, well, just buy it, charge your phone, organize everything, and put it into the right place to your office. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.